Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073CF3 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run this command named wsreset. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command wsreset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command for you. It's a PowerShell command. Simply search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. And this will re-register the PowerShell window. Re-register the Microsoft Store. Basically, it's similar to reinstalling. We cannot uninstall the Microsoft Store, so it's similar to reinstalling it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.